today's review, I'm going to be reviewing a product Energize. This product is basically a funnel builder, and using this product, you can pump a lot of traffic to any website, video, or affiliate offer within a few clicks. And I'm inside the members area of Energize. So, before we head into the video, there's a free training that will help you in your affiliate marketing journey. So make sure you click in the link below so that you can claim the free training. Back to the product. Energize is basically a funnel which has got a lot of high ticket items. In 60 seconds flat, you can clone any automated high ticket commission system with free bio traffic, and you can start making money. So make sure that you stay till the end of this video review, as I am going to be telling you about the upsells that are there, the OTOs, and also the free bonuses that I have put in for you. I have put in a lot of free bonuses. I have put in fact 7 bonuses which are absolutely amazing. So you can make an informed decision on what you're buying and whether this product is right for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Prakash, and I'm a digital affiliate marketer, and I make reviews like this from time to time. Make sure you hit the notification bell and also the subscribe button so that you get notified on all my latest internet marketing software reviews and also info courses. At any time during this video, if you want to take a look at the actual product itself, just click the link in the description below, and that will take you to my bonus page, and you can buy the product over there. So in a nutshell, Energize helps you build a funnel and also gets you free traffic that you can channel to any source you want. And this will help you get a good amount of sales, and you can make money from Energize by offering it as a service also. So these are the main things what Energize will do for you. Energize is definitely newbie friendly, and so it doesn't require any skill or marketing experience or coding experience or software knowledge. You can just make money using this product Energize. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, just click the link in the description below, and the link will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. And just you have to scroll down my bonus page a little bit, and you can click on this yellow button, and the moment you click on these yellow buttons, as of 11 AM Eastern on the 2nd of June, you will be directed to the sales page, which looks something like this, and you can just buy this particular product, just get instant access for just $17 only. So I don't want you to miss out on my bonuses, because I spent a lot of time putting these bonuses together so that you can make the best out of Energize. So now just let us have a look at the bonuses I have put in for you. I have put in around 7 custom bonuses. The bonus number 1, you have to come to this page, you just have to click on the link in the description below, and that will bring you to my bonus page. And what you have to do is just scroll down this page down so that you can have a look at all my bonuses. The bonus number 1 is what you will be getting access to, is the complete course on how to become an online entrepreneur. So inside this bonus, you will learn how to make money using Energize by offering it as a service on different freelancing platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. You will learn how to set up this offer and also offer it as a service in this bonus. So bonus number 2 is bonus number 2 is you will get access to a collection of done for you funnels that are ready to monetize. In this bonus, you will get access to some of the very good done for you funnels, so that you just have to paste the affiliate link and run traffic through these funnels, and the commissions will be in your account. So this is my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is, I just have to scroll down to get my bonuses. Bonus number 3 is, you will be it's a detailed guide on writing headlines to boost conversions. In this bonus, you get access to a detailed guide on writing headlines and rebranding that will help you increase your conversion rates. So that is my bonus number 3. Now bonus number 4 is, you will get access to 10 100% done for you pages. So inside this bonus, you will get access to 10 done for you pages. These pages contain the best selling affiliate products. All you have to do is link your affiliate account and start pumping traffic from the software, so that you can make money out of these particular pages also. And bonus number 5 is, you will be getting an undiscovered method to make money with Snapchat. This is basically an a traffic source of how you can make money through Snapchat. It's an organic traffic source. So I forgot, I just skipped through my bonus number 5. This is bonus number 6. My bonus number 4, bonus number 5, and you will be accessing my bonus number, this is a complete, my bonus number 6. You will be getting access to a complete blogging course, the ultimate blogging guide. So in this particular bonus, if you own a website, blog, or you might already know that traffic is half the equation and the other half is about content. And you, in this particular bonus, you will be learning the secrets of blogging, which is a very good resource for content marketing and for you to design your own content. So this is, and the bonus number 7 is, you will be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, the bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you, so that you can make best out of this particular product. So to get my bonuses and also to get the vendor bonuses, what you have to do is just click the link in the description below, and just it will bring you to the bonus page. And all these bonuses are 100% free of cost, even though if you pick up the front end of this particular product, it just costs you around $17. So that will bring you that brings me to the end of the bonuses, and I just wanted to explain the different OTOs, one-time offers that are there in this particular thing. The front end is going to cost you around $17, I told you. So upsell number 1 is an unlimited version where you get it for $67. There is a downsell at $37. So what happens is, there is the number of campaigns you can create in this only 5, so that to create an unlimited number of campaigns, you have upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 is done for you. There's a lot of done for you campaigns which cost you around $97. The downsell $47. And upsell number 3 is getting the secret to this is getting traffic. So unlimited traffic at $97 US. There's a downsell at $47. You can just come and read through this at your own time. I will not be wasting your time. And no, we'll quickly go into the sales page and see what the sales page has got to tell us. Yeah, grab the sales page is world's first high-ticket elite commission app for 2021 in 60-second flat. Clone your automated high-ticket commission system with a free buyer traffic from 400 plus million visitors. I think it's a bit of a hype. So I think it's more. It's basically a funnel builder which has gotten some campaigns, and you can also get some traffic out of this particular software. You have to fill in a form. I will be explaining you how you get the free traffic inside this particular software when I go into the dashboard. So this is the sales page. Down you have got, and this is where you get access from. You got a lot of testimonials from all these people, and you also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So I will not be taking much of your time here. You can just come and have a look at your own system at your own time. So just let me go into the dashboard and quickly explain to you what this particular thing is all about. Everything has been very clearly explained to you in the demo, but however, this is just a run through of what this particular software will do for you. So here there's a tutorials about the whole thing. My internet is a bit slow, just hang on for a minute. There's a complete tutorials which explain how each of these particular portion works and your setup and how to set up and how to do your integrations with the autoresponder, then also social sharing, then energize delivery, create more affiliate campaigns. So all these upgrades, bonus builders. So you got a lot of traffic strategies, one traffic strategy, two traffic strategy, three, and free traffic sources. So you have everything required here, a very good training resource. And now let me go into the campaigns. And here this is the funnel builder portion of it. What I was explaining to you. Here you got around five campaigns here already done for you. This is for the front end, which costs you around $17, but you can also get more campaigns if you pay for it extra. That's what the next which costs you around 67 US. So now you can either publish this directly, or you can edit it, or you can delete it. Suppose if I go into publish, so these are the basic funnel. You got a squeeze page, you got a webinar page, and you got a download page. This is a 3-page funnel system, and now this whole thing has been hosted for you through the Energize platform. Or if you want to host it on your own, then all you have to do is you have to download all these pages, download all, and you can upload this as HTML in your own server, and you can run your own campaigns out of this particular one. Now what you can do is you can just view the squeeze page. Yeah, this is how the squeeze page is going to look. You're going to run traffic to this page, and when you run traffic to the page, you're going to get some clicks, and of course some people are going to buy these particular products, and you're going to make money out of this. So what you have, when this is the squeeze page, when somebody clicks on this, sorry, just a minute, when view this page, yeah, now when somebody clicks on this, you get an email here, and they go into a webinar spot here, and they see the webinar, and then they can buy this particular product. So this is in brief about this the various products. There are about 5 products here. Each product has got a funnel. Basically it has got it has got a squeeze page, a webinar page, and it's got a download page. So it's a 3-page funnel system basically. And so there are different funnels here, and you can run traffic to this particular one. Now about the free traffic here, we have got this product belongs to Glenn Kosky. He explains to you about how to get the free traffic here to your web page. He is Mr. Glenn Kosky, who is a 7-figure marketer. So this is he explains about how to get this free traffic. So in a nutshell, this is about the thing, and here you have got integrations here, and you just have to press on these integrations here, and you have got all these various web integrations. Yeah, Aweber email integrators, that is, you got email Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, campaign, SendLane, ConvertKit, and all the latest ones. You got your Sendio, Constant Contact, HubSpot. So you can integrate with any of these autoresponders, and you can link them to this particular campaigns. So this is the, and also some bonus campaigns given to you here, so that these are the bonuses. So you can just there are some of bonuses campaigns here you're going to get. So you can choose these campaigns also. So to get all the bonuses, and also to get this particular product, you just need to click the link in the description below. It will take you to my bonus page, and on my bonus page you just click on these yellow buttons, and it will take you to the sales page, and there you can get the product. Now where you're going to get the bonuses is very simple. After you buy this product on Warrior Plus, this will take you to a page which looks something like this. On the right hand corner is the username. Your name will be displayed here. Just click on that button, and this will be a drop down menu. Click on the purchase history. It will take you to a receipt page like this, and here on the receipt page you get two buttons, the green button and the blue button. Just click on the blue button, green button, you're going to get access to your purchase, and down below is the blue button. Just click on this blue button, and you're going to get all the 7 bonuses, whatever I've told you in this particular thing for you. So if you are watching this video, there's a 50% chance that you are not subscribed to my channel. So you can do it with 100% certainty. You can just subscribe to my channel, and I keep loading more videos like this and more reviews like this. So it is very it will definitely help me in my rankings, and it will be helping me. So kindly help me in this, in my endeavor, and until my next video, thank you and goodbye.